The Rise mobile app is available in both the Google Play and Apple app stores and provides you full control of your LED ticker display and digital signs. In addition to using the mobile app, you can also update your displays from any computer via web browser by logging in at app.risedisplay.com. Once your account is set up, you'll receive a welcome email with your temporary password. After you log in, you can add additional users by clicking on the users, then the green plus sign, and then enter the user's name, email address, and they'll be sent a welcome email with instructions to set up their access. From the display section of the app, you can see all of your displays. A red circle means your ticker is offline, and it'll show the last connection time. A green circle means everything's online and connected. You can select a ticker, and then in the upper right-hand corner, select the gray gear. This is where you can turn your ticker on, off, or reboot it. By clicking the pencil, you can edit the name of your ticker, adjust the time zone, or set the brightness and scroll speed. By default, power save is turned off, so your ticker will run 24/7. But you can check this box and set your desired time for the ticker to go on and come off. You'll also notice key information about your ticker in the shaded box at the top, such as the MAC address, pixel height, and subscription end date. At any time, you can add messages to your ticker. Just add the playlist item, select messages, and then type your message. The name's automatically filled in, but you can change it if you choose. After keying in your message, you can select your preferred font, the size, and the color to make your message stand out. In addition to messages, you can insert simple graphics or logos in .bmp format. Just hit the image icon, browse, and upload the image or desired graphic from your camera roll. Remember, the ticker has limited resolution and height, so you should create these graphics at a specific height, in my example 32 pixels. You also have a gallery of pre-built graphics that you can select from for holidays, social media, etc. If you license stock quotes, you can select financial quotes option and select the proper financial lists such as Dow 30, NASDAQ 100, cryptocurrencies, bonds, commodities, and more. Just select your content and then the desired format to show, the name, the symbol, or both. If you want to create a custom watch list of stocks, select the watch list playlist item and then select your desired format. Then click on the green plus sign, and here you can search through all the instruments on the NYSE or NASDAQ that you want to show. You can either search by symbol, so in this example MSFT, or you could type the full company name, so for example Amazon. Either way, it will return all the results and you can select. You can also show sports scores by selecting sports or picking individual sports. After you select the sport, in this example NFL, you can choose to turn betting odds on or off. If you show odds, you can choose to show either money line or the spread. If you have a blog or news source and you'd like to show, you can add RSS by selecting the RSS icon, naming your playlist, and then copy the URL of your RSS. In this example, I'm just going to go out to ESPN and I'm going to select and copy the RSS feed for the NFL news. Bring that back over, paste it into the RSS URL. Then you can choose to show the title or the summary, how many headlines you'd like to show, so here I'll select 7. Then select your font size, style, and then the color of font for your news stories. And you can also select a separate color for a separator or a vertical line that will break up those stories. A Google Sheet's a great way to easily share and update information on your ticker. On our website or in the user guide, you'll see a bunch of different templates we've created, such as sales leaderboards, lunch menus, etc. In this example, I'm going to show you how to set up the weather forecast. So once I select the template, I can use that template, so I'll make a copy into my own Google Drive. Once I have a copy, I can then edit. So at the bottom of this spreadsheet, you'll see the user edit area. I can put in the zip code. I'm going to put in 89118 for Las Vegas, and then how I'd like to display the name, so I'll type in Las Vegas, Nevada. Once I've got that done, what I need to do is go into the upper right hand corner, click Share, and I need to make my spreadsheet public. So here it's restricted. I'm going to change this to anyone with a link, and then just copy the link. Then if you come back into the RiseTicker app, you can select Google Sheets, Select the layout that you want. So here I'm going to select the stacked layout, copy in that URL, and then how many rows I'd like to show. In this case, I'm just going to show 2. All the colors come from the spreadsheet. So if you want to put any formulas into your sheet to change the colors, that's what will dictate them. Similar to Google Sheets, you can pull in your own JSON data via our custom API. Just put in the link and then map the fields to the desired layout. Check our user guide for more documentation and details on integrating your own data. By default, all items in your playlist are set to show all the time. But by unchecking the Show Always box, you can schedule by date that you want the content to come on or go off. And you can also choose the specific time of day that you'd like the content to show. Here, I've got it set from 5 to 6. And then you can select if you'd like specific days of the week that you'd like the content to recur on. You can also reorder items by touching and holding the 3 vertical lines on the left and dragging those into position. You can move it up or down. From the playlist, you can also select the 3 dots on the right if you'd like to clone or make a copy of something. You can also remove items and then just confirm that you'd like it removed from your playlist. From the menu, you can also choose to move items up or down instead of dragging if you'd like. If you'd like to remove everything, just click the checkbox in the upper right and then select Clear All. If you'd like to configure a twin ticker where you show 2 separate streams of data, this needs to be set up at the time of ordering because it requires a second controller inside your ticker. If you've purchased a twin ticker, you'll need 2 licenses, and each will show up separately in the app. In this example, you'll see the ones labeled bottom and the other top. The app is also designed to control digital displays. Just connect our little media player behind any flat screen TV, and then from the app you can show lists or heat maps of financial data. You can use predefined lists like the Dow 30 or the S&P 100, or you can make your own custom watch list of real-time stocks from NYSE and NASDAQ. As you can see, the RiseTicker app is designed to be a simple, easy way for anyone to manage their ticker. If you get stuck, need any help, don't hesitate to reach out to us at support@risedisplay.com.